How to post in LinkedIn or how to create a post in LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet and today I'll guide you on how you can post in LinkedIn. Well, in order to post and share updates in LinkedIn, you can simply start by tapping on post on the bottom of your screen. Now, if you open up LinkedIn application and log into your account real quick, at the bottom of your screen, you can see various icons. You can see home, my network, post notification, and jobs. You can simply tap on post option there, and then you can share your thought here. You can add image by tapping on the little image icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen, or you can tap on plus icon there and you'll be able to add media, template, event, celebrate, job, polls, documents, services, etc. And once you do so, you can simply tap on post option, or if you want to schedule it, you can tap on the timer option there and you can schedule to post it as well. So this is the way that you can post in LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.